Subject Computer Science, Class 2, Lesson 3, Unit 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Happy Ramadan Kareem to you all. Today's topic, Types of Computer, from page 7 of book. In today's lesson, we will read and learn about the different types of computer. So let's start today's lesson. Computers are available in different sizes. Some computers are big, some medium sized, and some are small. First of all, we are going to discuss about desktop computers. A desktop PC personal computer is a computer meant for a desk or a home. It is not wireless or portable. Not portable means you can't take it with you from one place to another. Desktop PCs have a mouse, a keyboard, and a base unit, which includes the computer's components. Some newer models have the base unit in with the monitor to save space. Desktops are generally cheaper than laptops and have a longer lifespan. An example of a desktop is an Apple Mac. Desktops work only on electricity. Now we are going to discuss about laptop computers. A laptop is a portable. Portable means you can take it with you from one place to another. Computer that can perform all tasks carried out by a desktop computer. A laptop utilizes most of the same components as a desktop computer, including a display, a keyboard, and a pointing device, such as mouse or a touchpad. Laptop looks like a briefcase. A laptop can be carried while traveling. Now we are going to discuss about tablet computers. A tablet computer or tablet is a mobile computer with display, circuitry, and battery in a single unit. A tablet PC are equipped with sensors including cameras, microphone, accelerometer, finger computer, mouse, and keyboard. A tablet PC is essentially a small laptop computer. It works simply by touching screen. A tablet computer can be carried while traveling. It can also work on a battery. Now we are going to discuss about smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile device that offers advanced computing ability and connectivity. A smartphone has many features in it. Besides making calls, you can also play games, draw pictures, etc. Now let's move on to today's homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you students, and you have answered to these questions in your notebook. Question number 1, define desktop computer. Question number 2, define laptop computer. Question number 3, define tablet computer. Question number 4, define smartphone. Question number 5, which computer do you have in your school lab? You have read the answers of these questions in your today's lecture. Thank you.